और कुछ सीखना तो इधर आ जाओ. So Lovable is the most popular AI tool to create a full-fledged end-to-end flow website. So here just you need to what's in your mind. Okay, so just give the command to Lovable and see the result. Okay guys, so write your thoughts. I have created some instruction sets, the instruction file from ChatGPT I have created. So this is the file. I just attaching this file into Lovable like this. Click on plus icon, file, choose file, and just click on the file, the instruction file, and open it. So I just write here. So create my I just create a full end-to-end flow of my application. Okay, I just write the text here. Okay, the file having full details, instructions, so it will automatically readable by Lovable. So I just click on the submit button here. Okay, just click on submit. So guys, Lovable will handle automatically all the things. So here you can see Lovable read the files. Okay, exploring the files, read the files line by line. He understood the instruction sets, what I have mentioned over there. So I will I want to show you the exact instruction sets here. You can see the students flow I have mentioned, the complete feature I have mentioned, the core feature, the roles, students, teacher, admin roles. Okay, so the here is a class life cycle. Okay, the flow of class life cycle, payment flow, how payment will be deduct, and database design here. So all the things I have mentioned here. Okay, so here you can see chat system, track, tech stack. Okay, future roadmap. Okay, so it would be create a scalable application. Okay, so here some questions are visible. So I just click on full UI plus cloud backend. Okay, so here we need to choose theme, so modern and variant. Okay, just click on submit button and it will be handled. Okay, so Lovable will create all the things, theming, language, and all the things. I will show you the results. So while ago you can subscribe my channel Myra Tales. They are having some videos regarding AI tracking, funny videos. You can see the my track video here. This is the track video, credit track video. It's a fabulous, very nice track I experienced in my life. So here I go for the track on April month. So it's a snow here, all the things. Okay, so just check this video and like and subscribe, guys. Okay, so and follow me on the Instagram also. So uh, here here the Lovable is working, guys. So I just click on allow. So you need to wait only 5 to 10 minutes to see the result here. Okay, so see guys, see guys, it's completed. I will show you the result here. Now the result is this. See, very nice UI, pixel perfect UI it's creating. I just create start button and see guys the validation. I just wrote my Instagram ID, you can subscribe it, you can follow me. Okay, I just write the password here, just click on continue, choose your role. Here you can choose the role. Okay, so I am into the app. This is fabulous. This is it, guys. This is it. Here you can see top teachers are available online here. You can see what musical instrument you want to learn here. So here's the menus: home, my class, wallets, profile. Wow, wow, se bhi wow. Very nice, Lovable. So for this kind of videos, you can follow me, subscribe me, and comment me. Okay, if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, comment me, guys. I will reply, definitely reply you. Okay, see you guys. Happy coding. Bye bye.